Welcome back to the channel. I'm Kent. Today we're going to do a fairly simple, quick little home project. We've got a few things here. We got a big mixing bowl. Get these at a cooking supply store or sometimes the dollar store. Anyways, they're fairly inexpensive, so makes it good. We've got a make a lamp kit, and we're going to go ahead and make ourselves a lamp. So the first thing we want to do is put a hole the size of this in the bottom. There's a threaded screw here. Should be 3/8 if I remember correctly. Yeah. Okay, a little bit bigger than 3/8. So what we need to do is put a hole that this will fit through in the center of this bowl. On the outside of the bowl, it's smooth and shiny, so you can't see anything. On the inside of the bowl, most of these have kind of a brushed finish, like this one. And what they have is you can see the spinning lines, which actually gives you a center mark already. So we'll go ahead and grab a center punch. Eyeball the center, and give ourselves a mark. Alright, then you're going to need a drill bit. I've got it sitting on a piece of plywood so I don't accidentally drill into the steel table. We'll find our center mark there. And we'll just pop a little hole right in the center. Then we can flip it over. Change to our, in this case I'm using a step bit. One size bigger. There we go, that fits through. That's all we need. So we'll grab our parts here. We got cord and parts for the lamp. So this gets threaded on here. There is a set screw. Oops. We'll loosen that up. And these come apart. They're just pressed together. And it's pressed together really well on this one. Maybe there's some directions. Yeah. It's just supposed to come apart. There we go. And your socket slides out. So we'll go ahead and take our plug. Feed it through there. Feed it through here. Let's see. We got these. I don't know if they fit. They might not be the right ones. Let's actually see if they're, yeah, no. Those aren't the right ones for this. That's okay. So you've got a little rubber collar in this kit. This isn't the kit I normally use. This is the only one that they had at Menards. So, oops. Let's try to put this in the right order. So, through this. Through this. Through this. And we'll attach it. You get it under your screws and then just tighten it down. Okay, so then you have your collar, your other collar, slide that back together. Tighten up your set screw. Slide that through. Get your nut to the other side. 2 hands, thread it on. There we go. Let's grab a bulb and give this thing a try. There we go. Now it's snapped in all the way. Look at that. Custom lamp. Alright, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, go ahead and put those down in the comments. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like what you saw. That really helps out the channel. We want to grow this channel more. And we'll catch you in the next one.